Okay, I have a question for you today. There's no right or wrong answer. It's super personal, and people usually have very strong feelings about this question and their answer. The question is, how do you want to sound in English? Is there a specific accent that you're going for? Are you trying to hide or diminish anything about your native accent, or do you not care about that? Are you trying to sound like a native speaker? If so, a native speaker from where? I'm really curious. I know when I was learning Spanish, I absolutely did not want to have any hint of American in my accent. I thought that Americans speaking Spanish and having the typical American accent sounded awful, like hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? And I was like, no, I can do better than that. Like, I really wanted to have an authentic sounding, natural, native like accent. I was obsessed with that idea. And I really liked how everyone spoke in Argentina. Well, I know there are lots of accents in Argentina, but I chose an accent from Argentina that I liked. And that is the one that I imitated and learned to speak with. And now when I speak Spanish, people don't detect that I am an American. It's completely hidden, and they have to really talk to me to get to know who am I, where am I from, etc. if they want to know more. So however, I know, did I say this already? Like some people don't mind. They're like, my accent is who I am. It's where I